Hello everyone. So today we're going to be touring this 5 bedroom fully detached home. This is a 5 bedroom. This is a 4 bedroom. This is priced at 300 million and is located in a well secured estate in Ajah, just along the Lekki Expressway. Okay. So this car park space can take up to 3 or 4 cars. We also have spacious living area. We have a swimming pool. And if you look carefully at this building, you will see that there was a lot of intentionality that went into the building, quality finishing. Trust me, you will absolutely love this home. Now before we take a tour, if you're new to my channel, you quickly want to hit the subscribe button, like, share, comment, and let me know what you think of this amazing home. If you're looking for a home, a family home in the Ajah axis, you strongly want to consider this particular home that I'm currently standing on. With that said, let's take a tour. Welcome home. Okay, so we have units of duplexes. This is 5 bedroom, this is 4 bedroom. So I'm going to be posting a different video entirely for this 4 bedroom. But for the purpose of this video, we're taking a look at this 5 bedroom fully detached home. Let me clean my camera. It's raining. Rain has entered it. Okay, this seems better. Okay, so this is the car park space that can take up to 3 or 4 cars. Clearly see that it's spacious. And over here, you have your greenery. And just by the end, there is a pool. There's a pool at the end. I think I love the finishing of this home. Clearly see the walls, the security lights. So this is the pool. So this is your pool right here. Okay. All right. So let's go right inside. Let's go right inside. So you have your design here. A simple clouding on the facade. You have your floor to ceiling window. And just by the entrance, you have this light up here that I love. And you're welcomed by this door here. Of course, it comes with a biometric, facial ID, fingerprints, and all of that. Now, take a look at this home. This is your primary living area. So immediately you step in, you're welcomed by your primary living area. So this is what your primary living area looks like. It's quite spacious, detailed finishing. Alright, so if you go further this way, you have this space just underneath the staircase. I don't know what you want to set up here, but this is actually quite a space. Then by my right, you have your powder room. This is your powder room. The quality of the finishing of this home is actually very beautiful. Over here, we have the kitchen and a visitor's room. So this is the kitchen right here. Amazing, amazing. So this is your kitchen. You've got your island. You have your essentials. You have this. You have your heat extractor. The space for your freezer is there. Your microwave, your oven. The space for your washing machine is also here. And we have this space that you can set up your pantry. This space is here for you to set up a pantry. And this door leads you to the backyard. So that's the pool area that we actually, saw before coming inside. So this is what the kitchen looks like. I'm going to pull back again so you can see the kitchen again. Absolutely beautiful. Okay. Let's see the visitor's room right here. Then we can go upstairs. So this is the visitor's room. You have your wardrobe just right there. And over here, you have your ensuite bathroom. Oh, it's locked. Okay, let's go upstairs. Think we've seen enough for downstairs. Let's go upstairs. This is actually beautiful. Just set up something really nice here. Okay. Okay, let's go upstairs. Of course, the staircase is laced with sensored lights. So you are sure to have lights while climbing the staircase. So immediately you come upstairs, you are welcomed by this secondary living area. You can just set up your TV, your chair, where you can turn to a family lounge. And just by this corner, we're going to be looking at the 4 rooms upstairs. So this is one of the rooms. There's still a lot of, painting going on here. So that's your wardrobe. And this is your ensuite bathroom. That's your walk-in shower. That's your walk-in shower. So going further into the tour, we have this room also. So we have this room. You have your ensuite bathroom as well. That's your walk-in shower. That's your walk-in shower. So we have 2 more rooms to explore. This is one of the rooms as well. And your wardrobe is right there. Okay. Your ensuite bathroom is here as well. And this is your walk-in shower. All right, let's go to the masters. So this is the master's bed. And immediately you come in, you have your beautiful walk-in closet right here. This is a beautiful walk-in closet. I love the colors that were used, the glass, everything is just, they complement each other. And when you go right here, you have your master's bed. Okay, have your master's bed. So let me pull back so you can have a good view of the master's bed. So you have this glass door that leads you straight to the ensuite bathroom. You have your bathtub just right here, and your walk-in shower is just in this corner. Beautiful. Beautiful. And your master's also comes with a balcony. Alright? So it comes to the balcony, and this is your neighborhood as well. So let me know, what do you think of this home? This home is priced at 300 million. It's a 5-bedroom, fully detached home. Good finishing, quality finishing, a lot of attention to details. So if you're currently in the market looking for a family home in Ajah, this home is located in a very secured estate, well secured estate, just along the Lekki Expressway, giving you access, to easily exit and come into your home as you wish. All right. So give me a call. Every detail will be in the description. Go through it and get in contact with me, and let's get you home. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next one. Bye.